Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Audi vehicle. Introducing the 2021 model Audi Q2 Sport that is a fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the modernised Navarra blue metallic paintwork. It does come complete as a petrol model, making it the ideal spacious upgrade for any families or individuals. Alongside your manual transmission, you do have a whole range of top features, including enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights, added protection with your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. You do even have an electronic power operated tailgate, revealing a 405 litre capacity to accommodate your travel needs. The comfort does continue with your full cloth interior trim with your fitted ISOFIX points to assist when installing those car seats. In the front you will find your multifunctional leather steering wheel for added driver convenience, with access to your Audi virtual cockpit and central display which you can easily navigate around using your MMI central controller. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, even housing your cruise control and speed limiter paddle just behind to assist out on the open road. You do also have your options to navigate around your virtual cockpit, displaying all your vital driving data, various audio and even your telephone connection and built-in navigation system. This does come with a full view mode, so it is less distracting when you are driving. You do have similar access on your central display with enhanced performance with your Audi Drive Select, including your comfort modes. Alongside your servicing and checks, you do also have your driving assist, including your Audi Presense for further safety. Again, you can access your variation of radio stations to keep you endlessly entertained, alongside your Bluetooth connection for your own preferred audio or even to make hands-free calls. You do also have access to a built-in navigation system again. This is ideal for those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas. Just below you will find your main climate controls, including your air conditioning, alongside your handy power outlets, cup holders and of course your central MMI navigation. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.